To locate your coolant drain plug, you need to come down. So this is the front of your car on either the Abarth or the Fiat 500. This is not going to change. You come down. This is the driver's side. So left hand, North American drive car. Get some clearance, jack it up, or drive it up onto wheel blocks. Come around the front. Excuse the noise from the cardboard. Okay, so you're gonna take off your front splash guard, which goes along the front here of your bottom of your car. You can essentially look straight to the left of your electric radiator fans, and you're gonna find it right there. So this guy right here is your coolant drain plug. You'll see there's a support beam here. So you follow that right to the front. There's gonna be 4 bolts on that. Right there, right next to it is where you're gonna find it. Right now it's in the closed position. I found it's easiest to put a pair of vice grips on there. The needle nose vice grips, because that plug, at least in my case, was impossible to move without it. Now, once they're on there, you're going to want to turn it counterclockwise. You're going to need to turn it 180 degrees, so all the way around, so it's pointing up and down again. If you just do like what I did here, I thought that would completely undo it, but no. Basically, you're kind of unscrewing this little plug. It won't come all the way out, but again, you're going to need to keep rotating that. So simply turning it 90 degrees like this is not going to be enough to get coolant to come out. So I was stuck on that for a while until I realized you had to keep going. Don't expect it to gush out of there. This is going to be a tiny little trickle. I even took off the cap of my coolant reservoir. Didn't seem to speed it up a bunch. Took, I would say, a good 25 to 30 minutes to drain out. So it's not a fast way by any means of doing it. You might consider taking off your lower rad hose if you really just want to get it done quickly. But this does work, and hope that helps. Cheers.